Picked up a new wheel for the C5. About to throw it in. We got the quick release in right now. But I want an airbag so we don't die out here. We got the perforated leather one with the D style on the bottom, regular on top. Has like the grips on the side. We're about to swap the plastic over from this one. And then you're gonna wanna swap those metal pieces over to these. And then that plastic piece on the back also. So you got these plastic clips right here. So for the plastic back piece, you got these like 5 plastic clips. You just push them out. Pretty simple. Throw the new wheel. Okay, so we do have a quick release in here. It never came with the stock wheel actually. So yeah, we're gonna pull this off, get these Allen bolts out. You probably won't have a quick release in your car. I just grabbed the stock wheel and the airbag so I could use the plastic from the back of it and the hardware that I would need from the inside. So we're gonna get this all off, and then that main bolt is usually a pain and the stock wheel won't come off. I'm assuming I'm probably gonna have to go to AutoZone and get a pull tool for the steering wheel. All right, I accidentally forgot how to pull the steering wheel off. We went to AutoZone, got the steering wheel puller. I'll show you what's in the kit. So you got all these bolts. You're gonna use 2 of these. We use these 2 for the C5, and then we use this black one. This black one goes through the middle, sits right on the middle, and then on the steering wheel, it would go. So on the quick release, there's 2 holes right here, and they thread through that. Essentially the same thing on this. So yeah, you get it on there, and then just get your impact it off, ratchet, whatever. And then we throw this new wheel on with the clock spring. And I gotta find this wiring because I have no idea where it's at. I got the clock spring hooked up. The airbag wiring's all the way, you can't even see it. All the way back down there. So we were like fishing with this. All right, we ran to AutoZone. We gotta use one of these clips because I don't have one here. So it just sits, you just push that, it sits right there in that groove. I'll show you how to do it right now. Gonna want to use one of these snap rings. I mean, you'll probably have one on here, but yeah, get the right size. So this is the only one I was able to get on here without it being super loose. Probably not the best, but it works. Throw this plastic back on. It's 2 pieces in the back. The top slides in to this little like C ear thing. So slide that in on each side, and then it clips on the front. Time to throw this wheel on. Get the airbag wire through there. And then on here you got little like a flat piece where there's no spline at. Just kind of want to line that up with the wheel. All right, main bolt, 27 foot-pounds, and then you hook up the horn wiring, airbag wiring, and I don't know what that, just a ground, I guess. So ground, easy. This, you like twist it in there and then it sits in its spot. That, you just push into the airbag, boom. Throw the airbag on. Nice. Oh, this looks sweet. All right, we just got to throw these, the airbag bolts in, hook the battery back up, go test drive it. Here she is, all installed, airbag in. Gonna go on a test ride right now. Make sure it works. All right, I found out 2 things from this drive. 1, my alignment's off. 2, this wheel's pretty sick. Man, I love this stupid car. Nice.